Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Bedroom Comfort. Are you tired of cluttered spaces and disorganized messes? Because I know I was until I found the Kmiectse clear storage bins. These incredible storage solutions have changed the game for me, and I'm excited to share with you why. With the Kmiectse clear storage bins, you get a massive 92-quart capacity, perfect for storing everything from toys and snacks to clothes and crafts. The thickened PP material is super durable, and the integrated design makes it stable and reliable for daily use. When you open the bin, you'll notice the smooth magnetic door that keeps your items secure and dust-free, and the best part is the dual opening design that gives you easy access from the top or the front. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. The benefits are endless. For instance, the foldable and tool-free design makes it easy to set up in seconds, and when you're done, it folds flat, saving you space. The 4 universal wheels are also a total game changer, allowing you to move the bin effortlessly in any direction, making storage and organization more convenient than ever. I've used these bins in my closet, bedroom, and even garage, and they've been a total lifesaver, keeping my spaces organized and clutter-free. The feel of the smooth wheels gliding across the floor, the sound of the magnetic door closing, and the sight of my newly organized spaces are just a few reasons why I love these bins. Plus, the extra storage capacity is amazing. You can fit so much more than you think, and the king-size bins are perfect for large items. Whether you're a busy parent, a student, or just someone who loves to stay organized, the Kmiectse clear storage bins are a must-have, so what are you waiting for? Get yours today and start enjoying the feeling of a clutter-free life. As always, links in the description. 1. Have a nice day. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.